So Melanie and I got to Crystal Cove last night. It's just outside Laguna, and it's a really cool campsite. It actually used to be an RV park, so it's set up really well with spacing between the individual campsites so you don't feel like you're packed in like sardines. And then it's located up on a bluff so that you can see all of this.
It's a really neat space just because you have such a great view of the ocean, but then it's literally a half mile if you walk down to the ocean. Super easy walk from the camp spot.
Yeah, and then the town of Laguna is just like 10 minutes away. Lots of shops and things like that. So we may head in there a little bit later, see what we can find.
Tonight we were supposed to make a salsa chicken, but Ryan forgot a few of the ingredients, so it did not work out that way. So we ended up doing chicken with a little improvisation. We had it on a bun with some grilled onions, some shredded cheese. It was pretty good. It was pretty good, but not what we had planned on.
And not the most healthy option.
No, definitely not the most healthy.
Hey, it did the trick, and we were able to have a pretty good dinner.
Yeah, it tasted good. It just wasn't healthy. So.
And this is where we end up after dinner. Great sunset.
So we just went through the Crystal Cove Historic District. I believe I read it's a old kind of hippie commune. It was really cool. It looks like it's been refurbished, and now you can rent out the little cottages. I think they have 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms, but you can actually stay in there. Really cool East Coast vibe down by the beach. So a really neat area we didn't expect to see.
And cool restaurants, like bootlegger bars, famous bar here, and really nice beach to hang out with the family if you rent one of the cottages. And highly recommend checking this area out.
Very cool.
And there's also a lot of really
yeah, we got a second recommendation.
A lot of really cool, well, a lot of really cool homes nearby as well.
It was a great weekend. We had a really short weekend. We left on a Friday late afternoon to get out here to Crystal Cove, but it was awesome. I mean, it was only an hour and a half or so drive, and super close to San Diego, so we're heading home.
Yeah, and the dogs are able to relax, so that's always important.
Yeah.
So now we need to figure out where we're going to next.
Yeah, we're gonna have to pick out the next trip, so we will see where that brings us.